Hello and welcome class 7 students. Today in this class I will solve some important problems on equations from exercise 20 of the equations chapter of algebra part of your maths book. So exercise 20, today we will solve the sums. First I will solve sum number 31. In sum number 31 it is given that of exercise 20, a man having spent 3/5 of his money found that he had only 290 rupees left. A man having spent 3/5 of his money found that only 290 is left. How much he had at first? So let his original money be X. He has already spent 3/5 of his money. That means he has spent 3/5 of X. And he found that he has left rupees 290 only. So according to the problem, X minus 3/5 of X is equal to rupees 290. Or 5x minus 3x. Or 2x by 5 equals to 290. Or x is equal to 290 into 5 by 2. So x is equal to 725, and he has spent 725 is x. That means the original money with him was x. That is, original money he had 325. He has 325 amount originally with him, and he spent 3/5 of the money. So if I do 3 by 5 into 725, which he has already spent, so 5 1s are 5, 22 5 4s are 20, and 125. So 145 into 3 is 3 5s are 15, carry 1, 3 12, 435. That means 435 he has already spent. This money he has already spent. Originally he has this much. This minus this will definitely be 290. So in this way you will solve the original money. He had that answer you have to write. You have to write that he had originally rupees 725, and that will be the end of the sum. Now we will do the next sum, that is sum number 33. Sum number 33 we will do. Sum number 33. What is written in sum number 33? Let's see. In sum number 33, it is written that 1/6 of a bamboo is within the mud, 1/8 is within the water, and remaining 17 meters above the water. what is the total length of a bamboo? Suppose it is a bamboo, some portion is within the mud, some portion is within the water, and some portion is above water. This is above water. You have to find the total length. The above water portion has been given as 17 meter. The above portion is given as 17 meter. You have to find the total length of the bamboo. So you consider the total length. Let the total length of the bamboo, let the total length of the bamboo be x. Therefore, how much portion is within mud? 1/6 is within mud, 1/8 is within water. So 1/6 of x plus 1/8 of x plus 17 meter is equal to total bamboo, total length of the bamboo, that is total of x. This is the equation which you need to solve and find out the x, evaluate x so that you can find out the total length of the bamboo. So this will give you 1/6x plus 1/8x is equal to x minus 17. 17 will go that side. So this will become 48 and 8x plus 6x is equal to x minus 17 or 14x. Sorry, the LCM has been wrong. The LCM will be 8 and 6. 2 4s are 2 3s are. So 24. I think 24 will be the LCM. So 24. 6 4s are 24, 4x, and 8 3s are 3x. So it will be 7x. 7x by 24 is equal to x minus 17, or 7x is equal to 24 into x minus 17. So 7x equals to 24x minus 408. If you multiply those 17 and 24, you are going to get 408. So ultimately the equation will become 24x minus 7x equals to 408, or this is becoming 17x equals to 408, or x is equal to 408 by 17, which is 24 meter. The length of the bamboo is 24 meter. The total length of the bamboo is 24 meter. 1/6 is within mud, that is 1/6 of 24, that is 8 meter within mud. Again 1/8 of it, 1/8 of it means 3 meter within water, and 17 meter. If you add this, whether you will get 24. Let's see. 8, 9, 10, 11. 3 meter, 1/8. 1/8 of it was inside the water. So 3 meter, 6 into 24, 4 meter. So 4 meter and 3 meter, 7 meter, 24 meter. Yes, the sum is right. The original height of the bamboo was 24 meter, and that's how you will solve the sums. Wait for my next video.